This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant-like games on Roblox. First, open the Roblox application or website and navigate to the Games section. Use the search bar to look for titles inspired by tactical shooters. Keywords like Valorant, tactical FPS, or shooter will help you find relevant experiences. Pay attention to games with many active players and good reviews, as these are often the most polished and enjoyable options available. Once you have a list of potential games, take a moment to review their descriptions and screenshots. This helps you understand the specific features, such as unique agent abilities, weapon customization, or map designs. Look for elements that closely resemble the tactical shooter experience you enjoy. When you find a game that looks promising, simply click on its icon to go to its dedicated page, then hit the play button to join the server. After joining a game, take some time to familiarize yourself with its specific controls and character abilities. Each Roblox game might have slight variations, so understanding these is key to success. Effective communication with your teammates, whether through in-game chat or voice, can significantly improve your chances of winning rounds. Consistent practice with aiming and movement will help you master the game's mechanics and become a more skilled player. To further enhance your experience, consider adjusting the in-game graphics settings to match your device's capabilities. This can lead to smoother gameplay and a more enjoyable time. Also, exploring community forums and groups can provide valuable insights, tips, and help you discover new and exciting Valorant-inspired games within Roblox. For those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.